You're welcome back to the channel. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos. I'm so grateful. So in less than 5 minutes, I'll take you through the process of making this beautiful pinafore top. So if it's something you're interested in watching, then keep watching. And if you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So for this particular project, I'm using less than 1 yard of an African print fabric. So I have the fabric folded into four, okay, and this part is closed. The four part is closed. Then I went ahead to mark the starting line. Then of course the next thing I'm going to do is to impute my shoulder measurement. Okay, so this is my shoulder measurement. Then I added extra 1.5, so the amount to fold in is your shoulder measurement plus 1.5 inches for folding allowance. Okay, so I'm going to take the neck width, and for this project I'm using neck width of 3.5 inches for both front and back. Then for the neck depth of the front, I'm using total of 4.5 inches. That is for the front. Then for the back, I'm using total of 1.5 inches. So this is for my front and this is for my back. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the lines using this curve. Then for my slope, I'm using total of ½ inch because I'm drafting directly on the fabric. Then instead of taking this part down, I'll just take it a bit up so that when I fold it, I won't have shortage of fabric, just a bit up. Alright, so I'll go ahead and cut out what we have just cut out this part, and after which I'll separate the front from the back piece. So after cutting this, I'm going to go ahead and determine the length that I want for this project. You can use your half length measurement, and you can also use something longer. So for this particular one, we are making use of 28 inches. So I'm taking 28 inches all the way. Okay, my fabric is already on 28 inches fold. So I have 1 inch extra, so which I'm going to notch this part. Alright, so I'm going to separate the front from the back. Then at this point, I'm going to make sure that everything aligns. Then I'll cut out the front neckline. Alright, so at this point, I'm going to use my bias tape to turn the neckline of both the front and the back. So once I'm done doing that, I'll get back to you. Alright, so I'm done piping the neckline of both the front and the back piece, and this is what we have. This is the front piece and this is what the back looks like. So at this time, I'm going to hem. Alright, I'm done piping the front and the back part of this piece, and this is what we have. So next is to weave the ends of both the front and the back piece, the end, so that you have a neater work. Then after that, I'm going to use my hemming gum to seal it up. So that 1.5 inches we left earlier, I'm going to use my hemming gun and seal it this way. Okay, so once I'm done with this part, I'll do the same to this other side. Use the hemming gum and hold it down. Then after which, I will now hold the hem this way. So once I'm done with this side, I'll do the same to the other side and I'll join the neckline. Okay, so let me quickly do that and I'll get back to you. Alright, so after joining the shoulder, this is what we have. Feel free to iron it, and I went ahead to stitch the band. So the length of the band is about 50 inches and the width is about 4 inches. Thank you very much for watching.